Hello guys, in this video we are going to change the button color in WooCommerce. So let's get right into it. So how to change it? So it's pretty simple. To change your button in your WooCommerce store, it's really simple. We're going to use the CSS style for this to work. So if you want to change this into another color, here are the steps. First, you will have to do the inspect and the button for the class name. So when you go to the add to cart, you press the inspect button basically. From there, you want your browser console to see the HTML code written for the styling of the button, and then you'll have to copy it. So in this case, it's going to be the class equals single add to cart button and alt. So there. So next, you'll find a hex code color that you want from a color picker. Just go to Google and search for color picker, and then just select the hex value from there. And then we'll have to apply a new CSS code from the copied text that we did a while ago. So we log in our WordPress and the appearance, customize additional CSS. From there, you'll be able to click on the tab, writing panel will appear. So it's additional CSS right there. You will copy the rules below right here. So this is the one you will have to copy for the editor. So you can pause this video and then just type this in if you want to, and then replace the color hex with the desired color from the Google color picker that you have done. And then from there, you will have to find the code for the static button that we just did. And if you want a hover effect, you can do that as well. And then click publish once that's done. And then you'll have your color change in your button instantly from there. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.